If your LG TV remote scroll wheel has stopped working, this is a common issue with LG Magic remotes. In this video, I will show you simple and safe troubleshooting steps you can try at home to fix the scrolling problem. First, start with the basics because many times the problem is very simple. Take out the old batteries from the remote and put in new ones. If you notice any dust or dirt on the battery terminals, clean them gently so the connection is proper. After that, insert the batteries correctly. Close the cover and check if the scroll wheel starts working again. Now let's repair the LG Magic remote, because scrolling often stops when the remote loses its connection with the TV. Point the remote directly at the TV, then press and hold the home button and the back button together for about 5 seconds. Keep holding until you see a pairing message on the TV screen. When that message appears, press the scroll wheel once to complete the registration and then test the scrolling. Next, try power cycling the TV to refresh the connection. Turn the TV off completely, then unplug it from the wall socket. Leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. After that, plug the TV back in, turn it on, and check if the remote scroll wheel is working properly. Now we will clean the scroll wheel and buttons from the outside only. Remove the batteries from the remote before doing anything. Press the scroll wheel and the surrounding buttons firmly a few times to help loosen any dirt stuck underneath. Gently clean around the scroll wheel area, but do not open the TV panel or do anything risky, as this step is only for safe external cleaning. After that, check for signal or sensor issues. Make sure nothing is blocking the remote sensor on the TV. Try using the remote from a closer distance and keep a clear line between the remote and the TV so there is no interference affecting the scrolling. If the remote is still not scrolling, you can use the LG ThinQ app as a temporary solution. Install the app on your phone and use it as a remote to control the TV. This can help you scroll through menus and use the TV while the physical remote is not responding properly. That's it for this video on fixing the LG TV remote scroll wheel not working. I hope these simple, safe steps helped you get the scrolling back on your LG Magic remote. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. If one of these steps worked for you or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.